Howdy folks, so today doing a real quick video on the push button start. I've gotten some questions on it on YouTube here and in person. Thought this was a pretty easy subject and you would know if you looked in your owner's manual, but it's okay. How to get accessory power out of a push button start. So obviously with a key, you just turn it one click or usually, and then that's accessory power, or you can pull it back into accessory power. One click forward's ignition on, then it's start and it flops back into ignition on. But anyway, people want to know how to listen to the radio for a little bit or open your windows without turning the truck on, because apparently what I've been told everyone's doing is they're pushing the brake pedal, starting the truck, or whatever, fucking around with the radio, which I'm not going to do because I don't want any music, and open your windows and shutting the truck off. Back and shutting the truck off. How do you get accessory power? I don't want to start the truck. It's really simple. No foot on the brake. Press the button. It's your accessory power. Radio's on. Fan's on. You can open your window. Close your windows. No need to start the truck. If you need to start the truck after that, just press the brake pedal. Push the button. It's that easy. Now you can't go from engine running into accessory power because the door's open. If the door was closed, you get the accessory delay, which will stay on. I don't know how long, but it will stay on until someone opens the door too. But yeah, so this is in my Ford F-350. So just to prove the theory, I'm going to go do it in the Nissan. Okay, we're in a Nissan now. And to prove the theory, and to show you something else, push the button once. The dash lights up and the time lights up. To get accessory power, you push it again. You'll hear the fuel pump kick on. Fan will turn on. Your dash lights up. I'm sure the radio will work. Yes, it does. Windows. So, basically, if you need accessory power with your foot off the brake, my foot was off the brake the entire time. Press the accessory, push the start button once. If nothing happens, push the second time. So, that gets your accessory power. And I wonder if we can shut the accessory power off. You can. In this one. I think you can on the Fords too. But anyway, to start it, foot on the brake, press the button. So, there you have it. That's how you get accessory power from your push start vehicle. Very simple. Just throwing a wild ball to left field here. Check your owner's manual. You never know, you know. It's the second most unread piece of literature in the United States. So, behind the Constitution. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. I've realized a lot of my video views have been from non-subscribers, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when new videos are coming out. And you can find me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, both K30Crazy. And as I always say, until next time, stay crazy, people. Have a good one.